Hello friends, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Panchal and I'm dealing with chemistry. This is lecture number 24 for IR spectra. In this lecture I will explain you how sample is prepared for organic spectra, organic compound, IR spectra of organic compound. Okay, so organic compounds are three types: solid, liquid and gas. For solid we have three different processes. One is making mole or mull, another is making a press disc or making a glassy film. If it is liquid, then we put one drop of liquid between two sodium chloride plates and prepare the sample. Okay, so we'll start with solid. The first method is as a mull. For this we have to take nujol. It is high boiling point petroleum hydrocarbon. So take nujol as a solvent or as a mulling agent. Mull is prepared by grinding about 2.5 milligram of solid sample with 1 drop of nujol using a mortar. The mull is examined as a thin film between flat salt plates, that is sodium chloride plates. As nujol is hydrocarbon, it interferes with CH stretching and CH bending peaks, which appear due to sample. So if sample contains CH group, then definitely there will be interaction between nujol hydrocarbon and sample. Therefore, fluorolube can be used. This is the formula of fluorolube. In place of nujol, we can prepare mull with fluorolube also. Okay, so this way, if say a solid sample is given, this is the method of preparation of mull. Second method for solid only, solid as a press disc and this is very much in use nowadays. The sample is mixed with approximately 100 milligrams of dry powdered KBr. KBr does not absorb IR radiations in the region 4000 to 600 centimeter inverse. The mixture is thoroughly grinded and pressed with special dies under a pressure of 10,000 to 15,000 pounds per square inch. So very high pressure is applied into a transparent disc. So this mixture is pressed between two dies of SS stainless steel, and very high pressure is applied, so it becomes a transparent disc. The grinding is carried out under IR lamp to avoid moisture. If moisture is present, then the whole sample will be disturbed or destroyed. So please, whenever we prepare sample for infrared spectra, it should be 100% dry. The third method for solid is solid as a glassy film, which is not common. Deposited films are useful only when the material can be deposited from the solution as a glassy film. The deposited film technique is useful for spectra of resins or plastics. Okay. Next is liquid sample. Pure organic liquids may be examined by keeping it between two plates, provided it should not react with plates. A drop of the dry liquid, because if moisture is present, then it will definitely dissolve NaCl. So it should be dry. Dry liquid sample is placed on the top of NaCl plate, and another NaCl plate is placed or kept over it. The pair of NaCl plates enclosing the liquid, which form a thin film, even low melting point substance can be treated as liquid. Gas. Well, we know that gas, the spectra of gas or low boiling point or low boiling liquids can be examined by the expansion of the sample into an evacuated cell. So this way we can get IR spectra of solid, liquid as well as gas of organic compound. That's it in this lecture. Thank you so much.